What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's going to be a quick review on the Kwazar Double Pump Sprayer. So just as a background, my wife bought this for me for Christmas, and so you'd think that it would be working as advertised for a long time, because it's obviously a very pricey thing. It's a pricey sprayer when you can pick up a regular sprayer at your local hardware store for like $3.50. So I will say, when it worked, it was an impressive gimmick, where every time you pumped the sprayer, that you get the liquid, and it would be quicker and more convenient and things like that. But so as of recording this video, it is May 11th, so not even 6 months I've had this sprayer. Now look at it. And it did not spray like that when I first got it. So not even double pump. The spray pattern is terrible, right? And it doesn't work like it was advertised. So I'm not doing this to dump all over Kwazar, because maybe I'm doing something wrong, or I'm using the product wrong, or I'm using the wrong type of chemicals, or the wrong type of bottle for the chemicals. This could very well be operator error, and I am admitting that. But this is an expensive product that I've had for 5 months that is no longer working. And this is something I got at Lowe's, which is, if you're watching this from America, you know what Lowe's is. But if you're outside America, Lowe's is like a big box, like hardware store, for literally like $4. I've had it for years, and it works outstanding. So if you're just starting out with detailing, you don't have to do what all of the you don't have to buy what all of the major like detailers on YouTube are saying that you should buy, like all the expensive stuff. Because sometimes, as with the Kwazar, the expensive stuff turns out to be crap, and the ones that are good are the $4 things that will last you for a lifetime. And say it does break, because this is my second bottle. I had a sprayer that broke on me after like 3 years or whatever. You know what? It cost like $4 or $5 at my local hardware store. It's not even that bad, right? So and it's easy to replace. So think about your budget. If you don't mind spending $60 for something that may not work in 6 months, go ahead, knock yourself out. But if you're like me and detailing is a hobby, like, just spend $4 at your local hardware store. I hope this helps. If you found this useful, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.